Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and we're going to take a look at something interesting. What made this, what made me curious about this actually is a couple of reports from users on this channel that they had Office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on, installed, and they were wondering what happened. And they didn't, some people claim they didn't ask, although here I kind of see that you have to do a few things to have them installed. But when you go to office.com, you can actually have the Office apps installed as PWAs or progressive web apps. Even if you're not a subscriber to Office 365, you can still have basic versions of these apps that do the basic functionalities. Like if you have Word, you'll have a basic word processor, for example. It does not have all the features if you're not officially subscribed, but it does still work, and it's kind of interesting. So when you use your browser and you go to office.com, office.com will give you at the top here on the screen a little plus button. Now, it's not there in my case because I've installed the apps, but you will have a little plus button in the taskbar when you actually sign in with a Microsoft account. Once you do this, you will instantly now go to office.com and have the apps available. So you see here on the left side, you have your apps available as progressive web apps. So whatever you do, you are able to use them. They are cloud driven, so that means that they're not technically installed on your PC. They are online versions. So these are cloud versions of the Office apps that you might use. So this is kind of interesting. And might explain why some people find that they have this on their computer when they actually go to, their a page like office.com, and they might actually see that it's actually happening. An example of this is some people report that in the start menu they have something called Office, and when you click on it, it actually opens the progressive web app, and it actually will give you access to your different, progressive web apps. So you have the impression that it's installed on your PC, but in reality it's not. It's just a link to the progressive web apps that are online, not the apps themselves. So the other question that will arise for those that have this now is if you don't want this actually to be on your PC. And remember that they are PWA, so none of these apps are actually in your computer. They are online. But there is a little something that stays on your PC to actually get direct access to these. And it's, of course, this little Office app. If you want to remove this, it's very easy. You can actually simply go to All Settings. In your settings, go to Apps and wait for the app list to actually finish loading. When it is, go down to Office, and you will see that the Office app that you have there is a little Office app that's installed. So here I installed it today, October 15th, so I could see it here. It is available here, and all you could do is click uninstall. When you uninstall this and the related information, you remove that capability of going to the progressive web apps online. So it says here, remove Office from Microsoft Edge. And you can, of course, clear that data if you want and click remove. And immediately your Office apps or progressive web apps that are in Microsoft Edge are now gone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.